Rio.
Trust in a man. All I got was disappointment and a heart that won't mend. Decided to shut the door, throw away the key. Don't wanna remember the bad memory. No, it may not be healthy, but I didn't care. I thought it was best, so my feelings are scared. I hate the games. I hate not having somebody at home. I think I'm scared. Who the hell cares? Tired of not having someone of my own. So I need a locksmith, someone to unlock my heart. I need a hand to unlock it. I forgot how to love. Where do I start? Where do I start? Oh, I need a locksmith. I need a locksmith. Oh, where do I start? Oh, I need a locksmith. I need a locksmith. Oh, one hour fumbling around in my heart for the key. I'd forgotten how to get in. Oh, put it away a long time ago. I didn't think I needed it again, but for some reason I feel like I'm missing something real.